Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. It is Wednesday and I am at my desk in the living room. I have my Unbound planner, I have my coffee. It's just a morning for another cup of coffee. And I was just doing a little self-care with some nail repair serum from Jordan Essentials and just kind of working that into my cuticles. So I feel like now I can think and I'm ready for the day. So it's time to make a plan. So I'm going to open up my planner here and just kind of go over how yesterday went with you and see what we have on the agenda for today. All right, so I got some things done yesterday, but I did not get done everything. As usual, like I mentioned, I'm always overly ambitious on what I can accomplish in a day and how long things will take me. I underestimate that. So I did not work on my daughter's room, did not pay bills or send cards, and I didn't really talk to my husband yet about a plan for her birthday. So I still need to do all of that. Let's see. I did work on the recycling, and that actually took a little bit because we have to sort everything. Some things get picked up, some things I have to drop off, which maybe today, now that I think of it. So hold that thought. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my task list for today. And it's kind of an anti-procrastination day task for me anyway. If you follow the Fly Lady system, and you know she has her daily focus. Well, the daily focus for Wednesday, if you can see my little sticker there, is anti-procrastination day. So it's just a day to, kind of remind yourself to try and get some of those lingering tasks accomplished. And I haven't set up a regular schedule for when I take like the glass recycling in and drop that off. So I've just been kind of waiting till it seems to be pretty full and there's no more room, and then that's time to go drop it off. So today would be a good day. I'm going to take my computer in and get it cleaned up because it's running really slow. So okay, so let me go ahead and add right off the bat so I don't forget the and he just said I could bring it in first thing this morning, and then they would try to have it done by the end of the day. So that would make sense, is just to bring my computer in, run some of these other lingering errands. So I'm going to add right off the bat, drop off recycling so we can get that done. I did get everything kind of sorted and put into the two bins and the correct bin down at the road. So we used to have single stream, and I guess last fall it changed, or last summer. So now we have, maybe it's even been longer than that. Anyway, we alternate what gets picked up depending on which week it is. So I am going to add that here at the top just because I don't want to forget while I'm in town to do that. All right, so I need to I'm just going to start at the top and work my way down. So I need to still work in my daughter's room. So yesterday, like I mentioned, I did have to work in the afternoon. So I should have realized, like, I really only had about 3 good hours in the morning and just had quite a bit of things I was trying to get done before I went to work. And then I didn't get home until I think close to 7, and I needed to make dinner. So I did work on a few things last night, but I should have known I wasn't going to get all of this done. All right, I still need to do some bill paying and send out those cards out. So I'm going to keep that at the top here because I need to make sure I get that done. I think I have one bill that's due tomorrow, so I want to make sure I get that done. And I just pay it over the phone, so that's fine, but it needs to get done today. And sending cards still needs to happen. All right, so I've moved that forward. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, okay, I think you can. And then we'll go ahead and add this. So still trying to figure out the birthday plan. And I'm not sure if that's going to be my third top priority or not. Probably should be, but we'll see. And then I'm going to keep on this get well card. So now today my daughter and I really are just home all day. My husband will be home around lunchtime, so it would be a good day to try to get some of these things done at home more. All right, I already have that. I'm trying to think, did I work on a hot spot yesterday? I don't think I really did, so I still would like to do 15 minutes for a hot spot declutter. And that could either do that in zone 1 and just work on some of our decor items, or like my daughter's room definitely needs it. I did not work on any windows, so I could do that today. I didn't work on my Christmas bullet journal, but maybe today I can get that done. I think I'm going to run out of room for my list. What do you think? All right, processing receipts and updating QuickBooks. I'm going to wait to add that. Cleaning up email. I feel like I just need to kind of focus on a couple of things today. So yesterday I did wash the towels, and I did not wash my daughter's sheets, so I want to do that as my load of laundry today. And again, I should have just realized one load of laundry yesterday was enough. And I did not vacuum and mop our master bedroom suite, and I do want to get that done today. I didn't put all the towels and rugs back down. I just put out what we needed to get through the night, so I can still go through and do that. But I did do a good swish and swipe. I don't know if that was even on my list, but I did do a good swish and swipe of the master bath, and I sanitized the shower, so that was all done yesterday. All right, and I've put that forward. So I'm just going to leave these for right now. I can obviously see they didn't get done. I want to see how I go getting through all of this today, and maybe I should just go ahead and put A's birthday party on there. Try to get that done finally. And then tomorrow I'll be working, so I will have a shorter time in the morning and just kind of have to see how things go. So maybe I can try and get some of that desk work done tomorrow. Okay, and then let me just flip over here. I didn't get any vacuuming of the entry rugs done. If I'm vacuuming today, if I have the vacuum out, that might be good to try and do that. So we have hardwood floors throughout our home, except in one finished room in the basement, and that's on the new side, the addition that was put on in 2000. But in the two main doors that we use, so the front door and the kitchen door, I have a pretty large walk-off mat that I think I got at Costco. And it's just time to vacuum that, get all the bits of grass and dirt and stuff that gets collected on there. Okay. So yesterday was just Tuesday. I did not work out, but I did walk. I don't know, I guess I'll leave that off of there. I did my load of laundry. I still didn't do a morning energy routine. I did swish and swipe a bathroom, and daily focus is desk day. I'm trying to think if I really did much desk work yesterday. I worked at my job, but I think I still need to do that. And I didn't really do any decluttering, so that's fine. Let's go ahead, and so I will do my daughter's book probably right after I'm done filming, but I'll just show it to you. So this is the 5-year memory book that I use for my daughter, and as you can see, it just has a place for 5 years to write something down for each day of the year. So I've been using this for this first year, or this 5th year of her life, since she turned 5 last June. And then I have one that I used when she was a baby that someone gave me as a shower gift, so that's really kind of fun. I have one that goes from 0 to 5 years. Of course, in the beginning when she was a newborn, there were lots of days that I just didn't really fill anything out because we were just trying to make it through each day. But now that she's been older, it's been really fun to just jot down little cute memories or fun things she said or things we did that I want to remember. And I'm excited that I'm working on book number 2 and into the second round of keeping track of 5 years at a time. So that is the Some Lines a Day 5-year memory book. And it's made by Leuchtturm. So if you have the Leuchtturm 1917 bullet journal notebook, it's similar paper and all that. So, okay. And then I'm not going to worry about trying to add any more of these things because there's already some on my list. And the only thing I might add is maybe calling my grandma today. I think that would be nice to do. And that's kind of an anti-procrastination day thing. So, all right, I'm going to leave that there. That is plenty of stuff to work on. And we will go from there. Oh, one thing I did forget, and I realized it last night. So our recycling gets picked up Wednesday morning. So last night we sorted it all out, and then I took the one appropriate bin down to the end of the road to get picked up. But I realized I don't think oh, I did add it. I think I did this last night. So that's something I normally have on this list just to remind myself is the trash and recycling pickup. And I am going to add, because I looked it up to make sure I knew what I was doing. So today is paper recycling. Maybe I even filled that with you yesterday. I don't remember when I did that. And then next week will be plastic and metal. And this is paper. And this is plastic and metal. So that way it reminds me what we need to do. And I am going to highlight, I just realized like Father's Day is on here. And I think I'll highlight that just to remind us that's what we're doing. I still haven't filled this out. I don't know. I might need to sit and think about that, or I might not. I don't know. Sometimes those just aren't a priority for me, and I'm just worried about trying to get things done. So I think I'll do a little bit of gratitude journaling here, just a real quick thing for yesterday. So let me think. So last night we went for a little walk at Adelina, my daughter and I did, after dinner, and we just walked down to the end of the street by the library and came back and enjoyed seeing the scenery. We saw a few lightning bugs and just kind of had a chance to get some fresh air. She said, "Let's jog, Mom, so we can use up some energy." So apparently she needed to do that. So she got her jogging in. I jogged behind her, but we did some nice walking too. And I made our spring pasta for dinner. I'll try to link it below. It's a recipe I found a long time ago from the magazine called Real Simple. And it's a really good one. We still like it. My daughter's usually the picky one that doesn't like everything, so she eats mostly the pasta, but whatever, it has peas and shallots, whatever gets kind of stuck to the pasta, she'll still eat that. So we enjoyed that and had a nice dinner, just relaxing together and getting to catch up on how each of our afternoons went. All right, I think that's everything for today. So happy Wednesday, happy anti-procrastination day. Hopefully you are getting some things done and maybe trying to accomplish one of those, like me, one of those things that keeps getting pushed off and hasn't been checked off your list yet, but maybe today is the day to get it done. So all right, thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. As always, I'm sending you my love and well wishes, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below if you're enjoying this series and you want to make sure you see the next video that I share with you tomorrow. All right, talk to you then. Bye-bye.